joining me today. Ashley is going to demonstrate Warrior 2. So she's going to step right foot forward, left foot back. Arms come out. And typically what happens for students is this front knee comes in towards the center of the body. This isn't necessarily wrong, her knee isn't going to explode, but we want to create more information on the outer hip here, the gluteus medius. So what I'm going to ask her to do is straighten your right leg, bend your right knee, and see if you can guide your right knee over the ankle. So already it's come a little bit more towards the center, and then I'm going to place my right palm to the outside of her right leg. And I'm going to ask Ashley, yes, to press the right knee and the right thigh out towards my palm without touching. Keep pressing. Notice if you can bend the knee a little more. Yeah, so press out and bend. Good. And now what she's done is create a little more awareness in the muscle on the outside of the hip, which is a stabilizer. And she did this all on her own without me having to force or fix and put too much emphasis on her alignment.